In this video, I will show you best Amazon Associate alternative that I'm personally using to earn high ticket affiliate commissions and how you can do the same. And here you can see some of my payment proof that I earned by promoting the high ticket affiliate program that I'm going to show you in this video. So make sure to watch this full video till the end. So here you can see this is the Amazon Associate commission structure. And here you can see there are lots of different categories on the left side and the right side. The fixed commission income rates that you will earn if someone go to Amazon by clicking your link and purchase anything from Amazon. So you can see here on the left side we have lots of categories and on the right side we have a commission structure. But here you can see at the end all other categories you will get 4% commission. So generally there are lots of categories in Amazon, but in majority of categories you will only get 4% commission if you are promoting Amazon product, and if someone click on your link, go to Amazon and purchase anything from Amazon, then on average you will only earn 4% commission. So this will not worth your time and effort to promote Amazon product if you only get 4% commission. So suppose if someone purchase $100 product from Amazon, right, and then you will only get 4% commission, so you only earn $4. So this is a very low commission rate. So instead you can promote a high ticket products that will give you more commissions. I'm talking about 50%, 60% and even 70% commission. And if you are promoting a high ticket product, then the product costs more money, so you will also earn even more commissions. So that's why I highly recommend you that right now if you are promoting Amazon product, then don't promote Amazon product, and instead I will show you the best high ticket affiliate program that you can promote. So first of all, I will tell you why high ticket affiliate marketing. So first, I will show you the difference between low ticket affiliate marketing and high ticket affiliate marketing. So let's say your goal is to earn $10,000 per month, and suppose if you are promoting a low ticket affiliate product that costs $100, and on the other hand if you are promoting a high ticket affiliate product it will cost $2,000, and let's see you get 50% commission by promoting a low ticket affiliate product as well as a high ticket affiliate product. So generally if you promote a low ticket affiliate product like Amazon product, then you will only get 4 to 5% commission, but let's see you will get 50% commission by promoting a low ticket affiliate product and high ticket affiliate product. So suppose if you make one sale by promoting a low ticket affiliate product, then you only get $50 commission. But instead if you are promoting a high ticket affiliate product and if you make one sale, then you can earn $1,000. So if you do the math, if you are promoting a low ticket affiliate product, then you need to sell 200 products to achieve $10,000 per month mark. And on the other hand, if you are promoting a high ticket affiliate product, then you only need to sell 10 products to earn $10,000 per month. And it's very easy to sell 10 products instead of 200 products. And if you are doing a high ticket affiliate marketing or low ticket affiliate marketing, you need to give the same amount of your time and effort to earn money. So if you promote high ticket affiliate products, then you will earn more commissions, and you only need to sell 10 to 12 products to earn $10,000 per month mark. So that's why I highly recommend you to start high ticket affiliate marketing and promote a high ticket affiliate product. So right now I'm also promoting a high ticket affiliate program. So right now I'm promoting Legendary Marketer. If you don't know what Legendary Marketer is, then Legendary Marketer gives people online marketing education and show them how they can make money online as an affiliate marketer or freelance digital marketer. So right now I'm promoting Legendary Marketer because of the two reasons. First is Legendary Marketer gives people a great online marketing education and show them how they can make money online as an affiliate marketer. And the second reason is Legendary Marketer also have a great affiliate program that will allow you to earn high ticket commissions without selling any high ticket product by yourself, because Legendary Marketer have a great value ladder as well as a great sales team that will sell the high ticket courses to your audience, and if someone decide to purchase, then you will get commission as an affiliate marketer. So you can earn up to $1,000 per sale without selling any high ticket product by yourself. So this is the two main reason. That's why I'm promoting Legendary Marketer right now. And Legendary Marketer have a 15-day business builder challenge. So inside the 15 days, they will show you how you can start your affiliate marketing business in just 15 days. And the best thing about this challenge is you will get your one-on-one business plan advisor once you start this challenge. So you need to book the Zoom meeting with your business plan advisor, and they will help you to build your customized business plan. So if you are a beginner affiliate marketer, then I highly recommend you to start with this challenge. So if you want to learn more about this challenge, then check the link in the description below. So right now I'm promoting Legendary Marketer and it's converting good for me. So that's why I also recommend you that if you don't have any high ticket affiliate product to promote, then start promoting Legendary Marketer. And you can also create a reels to drive targeted traffic to promote affiliate offers. So as I told you before, right now I'm promoting Legendary Marketer. So I'm creating a reels on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook and YouTube to drive targeted traffic to promote Legendary Marketer. And if you are promoting any product in any niche, doesn't matter, you can create a reels to promote any product. And the best thing about this reels is you can just create a one reel, then you can download that reel and post the same reel in all of the social media networks. So for example, you just create a one reel inside your TikTok account, then you can download that reel and post the same reel inside your Instagram reels, Facebook reels and YouTube shorts. So you will get more views and you will reach out to more audience. So right now I will show you my actual social media account so you can easily understand that which type of content that I'm creating to promote Legendary Marketer. So here you can see this is my TikTok account Future Passive Income, and you can see here I created a lots of reels to promote Legendary Marketer inside my TikTok account. And the best thing about this thing is I just create a one reel inside my TikTok account, then I download that reel and post the same reel inside my Instagram Reels account. You can see here I post the same reels inside my Instagram Reels as well as inside my Facebook profile. You can see I am posting a lots of reels inside my Facebook profile as well. And here you can see this is the YouTube channel that you are watching right now. So you can see in the short section I post a lots of YouTube shorts. And this is the same video that I created on TikTok. So you can see I only have a 505 subscribers, but you can see I'm getting a lots of views inside my YouTube shorts. So if you just create a one piece of content, then post the same content in all of the social media platforms, then still you will get more views. So if you are not implementing this strategy right now, then I highly recommend you to do that, because this is the exact thing that I am doing right now. So now I will show you one of my reel as an example, and then I will show you that which framework I am using to create all of my reels. So right now you are going to watch one of my reel, and then I will explain that which framework I am using to create all of my reels. I think you already know that affiliate marketing is the best side hustle to start, but you might not know that you can do affiliate marketing without any following. For that, I suggest you to create a short form content on TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels and YouTube Shorts. You will get a ton of traffic even if you have a new account and without any following. You just need to create a content on these short form platforms so that it will attract the ideal customers for the product that you are promoting. If you want to know how you can start today, then check the first comment of this video and get instant access of my free affiliate marketing case study where I show you everything that I'm doing inside my affiliate marketing business and earning commissions. So you already watched my reel. So I'm using a hook, story and offer framework to create all of my reels. So now I will explain. So in the hook, I told people that affiliate marketing is the best side hustle to start without any following. So as I told you before, right now I'm promoting Legendary Marketer, and Legendary Marketer teaches people affiliate marketing. So I know that my audience is interested in affiliate marketing, or they are a struggling affiliate marketer and they want to start affiliate marketing, or they want to make money online. So that's why I created this hook that affiliate marketing is the best side hustle to start without any following. Because if someone start my video and then they saw this hook, and if they are interested in affiliate marketing, then there are high chance that they will watch my video till the end. So that's why I created this hook. And the hook is very important. So the first 3 seconds of your reel is very important. And if you can grab your audience attention in the first 3 seconds, then they will probably watch your reel till the end. So that's why I created this hook. And then in a story, I told people that you can create a short form content on TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels and YouTube Shorts, and you will get more views and you will reach out to more audience even if you have a new account, and it will attract the ideal customer for the product that you are promoting. So in my story, I justify the hook that how you can start affiliate marketing even without any following. And then at the end of my reel, or you can say offer or call to action, I told people that if you want to get my free affiliate marketing case study, then check the first comment. Because I know that if my audience is interested in affiliate marketing or make money online, then they are also interested in getting my free affiliate marketing case study. So that's why I created this call to action. So I'm using this framework to create all of my reels to promote Legendary Marketer. And right now, if you are promoting a different product, suppose if you are in a health niche, and right now if you are promoting the product that can help your audience to lose their weight, so you need to create the hook, story and offer framework to promote that product. Then in a second step, you need to create a bridge page funnel to build an email list and follow up with email automation. So as I told you before, right now I am creating these reels inside the social media platform to promote Legendary Marketer. At the end of my reel, I told people that if you want to get my free affiliate marketing case study, then check the link in my bio. So when someone click the link in my bio, then they will come to this page. So this is the first page of my funnel, which is also called the landing page. And here I give people access of my free affiliate marketing case study, and I will also get their name and email address inside this page. So once they give me their name and email address and click here, then they redirect to the other page, which is also called the bridge page. And here I have a short video that talk about the product that I am promoting. And inside the video I have one button, and I told people that if you want to know more about the product that I am promoting, then click here in this button. And once they click here, then they directly go to the sales page of the product, and then if they purchase, then I will get a commission. And I already captured their name and email address inside my landing page, so I will follow up with them with email automation and talk about the product over and over again. So eventually in future they will purchase and I will get a commission. So now I will show you my actual funnel so you can easily understand. So as I told you before, at the end of all of my reels, I told people that if you want to get instant access of my free affiliate marketing case study, then check the link in my bio. So here is my bio link, and if someone click here, then they directly come to this page. So this is the first page of my funnel, which is also called the landing page. And here I write free affiliate marketing case study reveals our entire affiliate marketing business that allowed us to earn commissions while we are sleeping, without any experience creating products, carrying inventory or dealing with customers. So if my audience is interested in affiliate marketing and they want to get instant access of my free affiliate marketing case study, then they will click here. And here I write enter your best email below to receive free case study. So once they give me their name and email address and click here, then they directly go to this page. So this is the second page of my funnel, which is also called the bridge page. And here I write important. Be sure to watch this full video to get access of my free affiliate marketing case study. So here I have a short video, and at the beginning of this video, I told people that how you can get instant access of my free affiliate marketing case study. And later in this video, I talk about the affiliate product that I'm promoting, Legendary Marketer. I told my audience that how Legendary Marketer can help you to make money online as an affiliate marketer. And if you want to learn more about Legendary Marketer 15-day business builder challenge, then click here in this button. And when someone click here, then they directly go to the sales page of Legendary Marketer. And here we have a short presentation from the creator of Legendary Marketer, Dev Sharp. And inside this presentation, they will explain everything that my audience will get once they start the 15-day business builder challenge by Legendary Marketer. And after watching this presentation, if my audience want to get started the 15-day business builder challenge, then they will click here and then they go to the checkout page. And once they purchase, then I will get a commission. So right now, if you have a question that why I'm promoting the 15-day business builder challenge, because this is the same challenge that I started with when I was a beginner affiliate marketer and I don't know how to do affiliate marketing the right way to earn a commission. Then someone recommended me this challenge. Then I started this challenge, and then I finished the whole challenge and I learned everything that they teach me, and then I implement everything inside my business. And right now I'm getting very good money by doing affiliate marketing because I was a consistent and I was a patient. That's why I started making money. So that's why I'm also recommend this challenge to my audience who are a beginner affiliate marketer and they don't know how to do affiliate marketing the right way. So inside the 15 days, you will learn everything. And you can see here on day 3, you will learn how to build your business in under 30 minutes with step-by-step video training. So this is the best challenge to start with if you are a beginner affiliate marketer. And once you start this challenge, then you will get a lots of things. You can see you can get a 7 bonus once you start this challenge, and the bonus is worth $3,576, and you will get everything for just $7. So you don't have anything to lose. So if you want to learn more about this 15-day business builder challenge, then check the link in the description below. And if you want to start with Legendary Marketer, then I will allow you to clone my entire affiliate marketing business. So you can clone my entire landing page, my entire bridge page, as well as my entire email automation sequence. And you can also give my free affiliate marketing case study to your audience to build your email list. So if you are interested in cloning my exact affiliate marketing business, then check the link in the description below. So once you set up this funnel, then the next step is you need to create an email automation sequence to follow up with people who are interested in the product that you are promoting. So right now I will show you my actual email automation sequence, and then I will explain that why I write this email automation sequence to promote Legendary Marketer. So here you can see this is the software that I'm using to create my funnels as well as my email automation sequence, and this software is 100% free until you have 2000 people inside your email list. So if you are a beginner affiliate marketer, then I highly recommend you to start with this free software, because even in a free plan you will get access of all the tools that is required. So if you want to get instant access of this software, then click the link in the description below and create your free account today. So now I will show you my actual email automation sequence. So once I go to email and click on campaign, Then here you can see I have a lots of pre-written emails. So when someone give me their name and email address inside this page, then they will get a 23 pre-written emails each email per day. And the main purpose of my email automation sequence is to remove people's objection, provide them additional trainings, and show them other people's social proof. So I told you before, right now I am promoting Legendary Marketer, but my audience have a confusion that Legendary Marketer is a legit or not, and Legendary Marketer will actually help me to make money as an affiliate marketer or not. So as an affiliate marketer, my job is to remove all of their objection for the product that I am promoting. And once I remove all of their objection, then they will definitely purchase Legendary Marketer through my link, and I will get a commission. So right now I will explain some of my emails so you can easily understand. So you can see here, inside this email, I write, let us introduce ourselves, pics inside. So inside this email, I told people my story, that how we came from India to New Zealand as a migrant and how we started getting training from Legendary Marketer, and then we implement everything, and right now we are making very good money by doing affiliate marketing. So I write this email because I know that if my audience know my story, then they can easily trust me. And once they trust me, then they will purchase a product that I am recommending to them. So that's why I write this email. So you can see here, I have a lots of email. So here I write proof, is Legendary Marketer legit? So inside this email, I talk about the creator of Legendary Marketer, Dev Shah. So Dev Shah featured in a Forbes and Entrepreneur magazine. And these two magazines are very popular magazine. So if Dev Shah got a chance to feature inside this magazine, then definitely Legendary Marketer is not a scam and Legendary Marketer is a legit. So by using this email, I told my audience that if you want to start with Legendary Marketer, then it's 100% legit. And the bottom of the email, I have one link. And once someone click on that link, then they directly come to the sales page of Legendary Marketer. And here, once they purchase, then I will get a commission. So I have a lots of email. So you can see here. Here I write proof affiliate marketing works. So inside this email, I have a lots of reviews of other people about Legendary Marketer. So people told that they got a training from Legendary Marketer and then they started earning their first commission as an affiliate marketer. So I told my audience that the other people who are just like you, they are beginner and they took the training from Legendary Marketer, and right now they're making very good money by doing affiliate marketing. So why you don't make any money? So if you really want to make money as an affiliate marketer, then start taking training from Legendary Marketer, and at the end of the email I have one button, and if someone click that on the button, then they directly go to the sales page of the Legendary Marketer again, and once they purchase here, then I will get a commission. So I will show you one more email. So you can see here I write interview, how Harshil got success with affiliate marketing. So when someone open this email, then inside the email, I have my interview with the creator of Legendary Marketer, Dev Shah. And inside this interview, I talk about my story, that how I started affiliate marketing and how I started taking training from Legendary Marketer, and right now I am making a very good money by doing affiliate marketing. So by using this interview, I told my audience that if I can do this, then you can also do this. And if you want to start taking the training from Legendary Marketer, then click the button below the video. And if someone click that button, then again they go to the sales page of Legendary Marketer, and once they purchase here, then I will get a commission. So I think you already got my point. The main reason of your email automation sequence is to remove all of the potential objection of your audience. And once you do that, then they will definitely purchase a product that you are recommending to them. So this is the exact thing that I am doing right now inside my business. So I highly recommend you that if you are promoting Amazon product, then don't promote Amazon product and start promoting high ticket affiliate product. And if you don't know which high ticket product is good and it's high converting, then start promoting Legendary Marketer. Because right now I'm promoting Legendary Marketer by myself and it's converting crazy for me. And now if you are a beginner affiliate marketer, then I highly recommend you to get instant access of my free affiliate marketing case study. Because inside this case study, I will show you everything that I'm doing inside my affiliate marketing business and earning commissions. So if you want to get instant access of my free affiliate marketing case study, then check the link in the description below. And now if you have any question related to this video, then just comment below this video and I will definitely give you reply back. See you in the next video.